Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi here with a clean and simple Father's Day cards. I use a stamp set from Honeybee Stamps called Car Show Stamp Set. It comes with 5 stamps and they are all cars back in the day. I also use the embossing folder and it's called license plate, and I use this scraps of cardstock from Paper Tree Ink. I will also use this Elizabeth Craft Designs dashing rectangles to die cut my papers. First, I'm going to stamp my cars on the cardstocks using my Misty here so I can stamp multiple times to get good impression. And the ink I'm using is VersaFine Onyx Black ink. After the stamping is done, I'm going to die cut all of them using the die from Elizabeth Craft Designs dashing rectangles. And now I did emboss some white cardstock using the license plate embossing folder. Let's also go ahead and stamp our sentiments on the scrap cardstocks. I used the Happy Father's Day sentiment from the Tan Pen Sentiments stamp set. And then I will cut the sentiments into strips using my bypass trimmer. And now all we need to do is adhere everything on our A2 size card bases. So I'm going to adhere the emboss panel first and then the die cut image, and then I will add my sentiment on the lower part of that image. And then I will just repeat the process on the other cards. I will also finish the inside of the cards using the same car that I use in front of the cards. And here are my clean and simple Father's Day cards that I made today. I hope you like these cards as much as I do, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.